Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not showing the verification code. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Make sure the account you want to use is properly added. If you don't see it, tap the plus icon and add your account again. Next, check your phone's date and time settings. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time. Incorrect time can prevent the verification code from appearing. After that, update the app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and make sure the Microsoft Authenticator app is updated to the latest version. You can also try restarting your phone or reinstalling the app if the problem continues. And that's it. These simple steps should help fix the Microsoft Authenticator not showing code issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.